This video is brought to you by QTH The Lightning Products and sponsored by busy2buy.com. Shop with confidence.
Hello friends, welcome back. Let's see more about Tumblr. Many people don't know that there are over 420 million Tumblr users. That's more than the number of people on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Tumblr's also accumulating many new users as it continues to grow at a rapid pace, while the platform's active user base publishes over 59 million posts every day. Brands like Adidas and Comedy Central are already thriving on the network. But competition is low as only a fraction of businesses are taking advantage of the potential Tumblr offers. This is a fantastic opportunity for you and your business because when the competition is low, it's easier to stand out and builds a strong presence. Now the question is Tumblr right for you? Before you consider marketing on any network, you need to make sure that it's going to suit your business and strategy. Let's figure out if Tumblr's right for your business. Its key advantages that the platform offers and how you can leverage those for your success. Age of users. 39% of Tumblr's users are under the age of 25. If you are trying to reach a younger demographic, you should make sure your business is active here. Creating a lot of visuals. Creating a lot of visuals is a necessity. On Tumblr, you can post text, photos, quotes, links, chats, audio, and video updates. But if you are serious about building a robust presence, most of what you post should be images, as photos are extremely popular on the network. Not just a social network. Many people use Tumblr as a blog and publish in-depth posts. Therefore, along with creating and sharing images, you should be prepared to write longer posts occasionally. And if you find that they resonate well with your audience. Custom modifications. On Tumblr, you can make custom modifications. You can hire a designer to give your account a unique appearance or quickly install pre-designed themes. There are many professional looking ready to install themes available. Followers are not extremely important here. On almost every social network, the number of followers is important. People like to proudly flaunt and brag about the quantity of followers they have. Again, Tumblr is different. It's rare to find a Tumblr blog which displays the number of followers it has. Tumblr users care about the interactions they have with other users. They want to build more meaningful relationships. Hence, you will need to change your mindset on participation here. Next, how to create an account. Now that you have determined that Tumblr's a match for your business, you can get started by setting up an account. First, visit Tumblr's homepage and sign up for an account by adding your email address, password, and username to the form provided. Choose a good username as it will appear in your Tumblr URL. The best option is to be straightforward and add your business name. If your business name's already taken, use something similar or another name that suits your business. Click on Sign Up after adding all details. Then Tumblr will ask you your age. Read through the terms and conditions and agree to them if you are okay with them. Next, Tumblr will ask you to take part in a test to make sure you are not a robot. Follow the instructions and your account will be created. How to install a professional looking theme? Unlike other networks, you can make modifications to your Tumblr blog to make it your own. You can hire a designer to do this for you, or more simply, find a theme that you like and install it on your Tumblr blog for free. You can browse and find Tumblr themes. There are both free and paid themes of various designs. You should be able to find one you like and within your budget with ease. Create the right pages. After you install the theme, you should begin creating the pages. You can start by creating the About page and Ask page. On the About page, provide a detailed introduction to your company and a link to your website. You can also add links to your other social networks on this page. Some Tumblr themes, like Simplest, make it easy to display the links to your social media accounts on your main page. The Ask page is a special Tumblr page through which people can ask you questions. You need to have this page to encourage and foster more engagement. You can easily turn the page on by visiting the Edit Appearance section again and clicking the Ask switch. Then you can choose the page title. Lastly, don't forget to interact with others. The interactions you have with your Tumblr followers are extremely important as they will determine how well you perform on the network. The more you engage with their post by liking, reblogging, and commenting, the more likely they will be to return the favor.